Hello children, now I will teach you some more people who are helping us. Earlier I taught you doctor, teacher, nurse, policeman and fisherman. Can you remember? Yes. Now I am going to teach you here some more people who help us. Here this one, here postman. Postman brings us letters. Here postman. Now here shopkeeper. Shopkeeper sells us vegetables, rice, dal, milk, lot of things. Okay. Now here a baker. Baker is the person who bake cakes, bread, shorties, lot of things. Here another one, a farmer. Farmer works in the paddy field, farm and give lot of things. Things means what? Rice, he needs rice to eat. He is the person who brings us, gives us work and brings us what? Rice, vegetables, fruits and meat. Now here this farmer works in a farm. He takes milk from these type of cows and the milk takes to the milk farm. There are places who sell milk, so he takes milk and gives to those places. They are giving to us. And meat and chicken, that's the farmer's job. Right? Now here a labor. Here he works on the roads. Sometimes our houses, sometimes offices, they work. And that also we need that their help us. Otherwise we can't keep the places clean, we can't do all the work. So we need his help too. That's a worker or a labor. Right? Now these people all are helping us. Now earlier people also, earlier my lessons I taught you, the people, nurse, doctor, teacher, policeman, fisherman. Now here, postman, shopkeeper, baker, farmer, labor or worker. We need their help. Without their help, we can't live happily. We can't do our work without their help. So we have to be very kind to them. They are very kind to us. We also very kind to them. Remember children, we can't do all these work. Only one work we can do. We can't be a doctor, we can't be a teacher, we can't be a nurse, we can do only one job. Only a nurse, or only a doctor, or only a labor, or only a teacher. So remember children, we can do one job and we need other people to help to live. So thank you very much for listening. Please listen to my lessons and enjoy your learning. Thank you very much.